다 속대 수번 넘어라 가지고 가리고는 시행이랍스나 balancing chemical equation. 속대 이번 넘어라 가지고 chemical equation 콜라디시 프로스 capture. 다 디네마 무투 체는 가지고 equation chemical equation the reaction 차다 네. 제자 balancing chemical equation. How to balance a chemical equation. Balancing chemical equation. Why do we have to balance a chemical equation? Chemical equation balance 가진 지구를 내서 먼저 주어집니다. 저 equation balance 가진 지구를 in class 9 we have learned about the law of conservation of mass, and it also applies here in chemical reaction also. Chemical reaction delay 먼저 이 가르치고 쓰는 law of conservation of mass 라에 디기 아니 먼저 그 삼로 디 예버 거예스. 제가 오딘디기 natural laws 되게 먼저 follow 먼치나 chemical reaction 또 딱딱 디기 거예요. 제가 the law of conservation of mass 디다가 대치도라 mass can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. Chemical reaction नंगोले mass 디 सवासु해요 말이스. mass ये देवते नेवसु해요 말이스. mass 디 랑자 되게 सोने देते. 제가 인디지라 law of conservation of mass. 제가 다 나중에 chemical reaction 지금 너라 mass can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. 나나 칼라고레스다. 디 칼라고레스다 total mass of the element present in the product of a chemical reaction has to be equal to the total mass of elements present in the reactant. Reactant na yo debeki elements diki total mass tang, any product na yo debeki elements diki total mass di, any chikpa chas na, any one dinde chila manzu khala na, manzu ki dinde ki mass chikpa cha dila, any law of conservation of mass di, any manzu ki duki yes, odishu ni, tayan di nangnola total mass of the elements present in the reactant la khala total elements present in the reactant reactant nangol ye debe elements sang reactant ye debe ki atom dige ki thanga da to yeso atom re ki mass dige definite re chesa parang ki total mass ti chikko cha reactant nangol ki atom thang product nangol ki atom ki thanga ti chikko na any parang ki mass ru shime chikko cha chesa ho dinde ki mass chi chikko suela any man khala na balancing chemical equation. 다 되는 이게 배순직대 가상이 먼저게 가상을 딩행이 속된게 나오라 먼저게 magnesium 번 A는 뭐 번치스나 magnesium oxide 체인됐어요. 다 there is that magnesium 라이디 atom chip. there magnesium 디 atom chip. what 제자다 magnesium atom or magnesium element present in the reactant, the number of magnesium element present in the reactant is equal to the number of magnesium present in the product. And here oxygen, this is oxygen molecule. Here we have two oxygen atoms in one oxygen molecule. But in our product, we have only one oxygen atom. That's just there are oxygen atom chip to there are oxygen molecule chip to yana atom ni that the mass chip reverse na chip mar do oxygen chip there mang do reactant mang jesa da dindi ki nanju ke balance me debe ke dindi ki equation chila skeletal chemical equation jesa we have to balance this skeletal chemical equation. Now how to balance the balance condition balance here method level shoes ta 당고 먼저 가르친 거를 그래서는 거란기 element 가리 임번 molecule 가리 임번 and the energy가 먼저 그 product 막 가리 유어버디 디 먼저 있으면 이게 거란기 전도가 딱딱딱 돼요 element in elemental form 랑자 되어래 and 이거 compound in compound form 랑자 we can never change a compound. 먼저 compound 먼저 change to be compound 랑자 compound change 있으나 it forms a new substance 사와 차래 that is no more that particular compound 차야 배나가 미지게 당기는 미디게 라바뚝 체키어는 미디게 당래 말와 그래서 미지게단 미 강자스 내고와 디는 시지 컴파운드 만족이 수해라 컴파운드 강자스 두는 것이 컴파운드 두배 말이지 제가 어디 만족 생활 약속신 이해고도 디 많이 해버지나 아니 케미컬 이퀘이션 밸런스 있는데 눈좀 없죠 어디죠 컴파운드 가리 것이고도 엘리멘트 가리 것이고도 그 건디 리액티브 건디 듀로티브 되게 쉬워 엔 디기 강라 타만저 데라 magnesium do there oxygen do there magnesium oxide do 제가 딱 이 밸런스 시기 있어 아부 지기 라세 부구 지기 magnesium the balance 시기 있으니 there MgO2 잡자다 다 밸런스 레도아 이네게 난주기 there 같이 있으잖아 누메게 다 미지게 당기서 미디기 소고들 라가 싸워치 죽잖아 아니 미디 간자 샤브레스 말아 누메데 개베요 라고 싸워줘요 요 말아 되는 시체는 컴파운드 이 되버디 데 유로 당초 말이라 이게 됐다 되질라 이게 되는다 컴파운드 유로 당초 말이다 magnesium oxide 라이트 컨디션에 딩에 완전히 magnesium 코랑게 valency 2 oxygen korangi valency 2 valency need any korani chikpacha is they forms a neutral compound that is MgO there a charge here is your knowledge compounds they are neutral atoms they are neutral diga onjima zilike ba goto chama ba jesa dige khatu ne neutral ta konso neutral man if they lose electron or if they gains electron then they form a charge konso ion charge cations and anions and these cations and anions they react to form a new compound just a compound they form chi sakyo D and chena nganzu ki gyurotang suna any pena the magnesium oxide MgO le the MgO2 la de chi yoman jesa di kave di norm is balancing chemical equation la nganzu do shen kave ji na norm is je this is one shin go jikche 디네 니버 딜라 다 만족이 다 밸런스야 원한 만족라 탑시 가려야 돼. We can place a number as a coefficient. Coefficient 제가 만족이 넘버지 플레이스 치초그래야지. 다디 투 쇠라 투 치고 쇠라 니게 데라 coefficient. coefficient 디 넘버 장쇼. magnesium oxide compound 만족 그램 가질 내내 magneum 가질 내내 만족라고 해요. 제자 어디 만족이 compound 다가랑 magneum 가질 내만 벨라샤샤는 이 잠바나 잠바디 애니 페트코라 매우 스웨진 만다시키오는 디기만 봐. 잠바디 magneum 가질 내만에 라이데 만족 되거라. 도마 강내내래 아니 가에 다가하네네 가르리나 만족. 디는 시체 magneum 제자 magnesium oxide 라이데 O2 쇠라 2 데 잡스나 2 can multiply to magnesium as well as oxide atom. The 2 magnesium atom down, 2 kachasman oxygen atom chaswa. The product namula ni cha. Magnesium ni cha oxide ni cha. Oxide ni cha the oxygen atom ni kora ni jigo jipache. 2 oxygen atom down, 2 oxygen atom ni jigo jipache. 딱 관찰해서 magnesium 될 디차서 magnesium 될 다음에 될 magnesium 잡기는 잡초그래 왜 잡초그 말해 이 잡초그 말에 가르치니 magnesium 될 matter molecule 치쳐 말해 그래서 이 잡초그 말 그래서 얘기 결례 거와 잡을 수도잖아 가리 잡에 이게 넘버 잡에 밸런스 수도 넘버 잡에 때 완전 coefficient 넘버 잡초그 coefficient 넘버 잡초그 될 2 잡아다지 나 다만주기 magnesium 2 there are oxygen 2 oxygen atom 2 magnesium atom 2 right that 2 la dujana manjuki there are that thanga jigo chikcha total number of atoms or total number of elements in the reactant that there are product nangole khachaso magnesium atom ni oxygen atom ni chaswa and chadu jane any khachaso reactant the product nangogi element ki thanga dige chipo chaswa 제가 뭐 딘데기 타고서에 지금 저기 balancing chemical equation 나거든. 제가 나 당구들은 이 갈라이나 element 가리면들 요마다. 디네 compound 가리면들 요마다. 다 디기 coefficient 되는 넘버 잡치니 아니 규로 당초 그래야지. 아니 규로 당초 대한 coefficient 기 넘버 디게 상마 in the reactant or in the product 이게 정말 빼나시나 데라 2 데라 4 데라 2요나 아니 건조 캔슬 치트로 그래지 캔슬 치진 simplest formula simplest ratio가 마빠베디 엔 캐치 그래지 제가 어디 당고디 건조 simple 샤고에 concept 디 하고 다 chemical balancing chemical equation like the balance share in your concept is sangyam atom in element in compound in kari odi tagarang yare any anju guru taidi the coefficient de la anju yu ta ma chi ina de la number add or divide ra o de kar chi ne o de ju ta ma chi ne ma chi ma sha di 당고 디네 안주 그래서 신바시키면 되지나 the balancing chemical equation like D nganzu the balance share and nganzu the lamsa ye ga da shi kyawa da kyawa zo shen tu be da kago le de ta nganzu kali kali shen tu ku le la pe balance na iron reacts with water to form correct iron oxide and hydrogen iron ji ta nganzu ki chemical equation kora thigida iron ji water nim to react chi na water nim to react chi na nganzu la iron oxide thang and nganzu khara du la hydrogen dus nganzu khara dus na hydrogen dus ta yegi de chidusan de gap tongwa shen ko 가지는 아 될 number 되게 place 주 and number place 치체네 and 예 가지고서나 chemical equation 치 balance 수를 다 dinegi balance 수비전에다 먼저 스텝 2번이 나온 먼저 가르치고 그래요. 당고디 먼저게 하고서 이 iron 어디 Fe iron 어디 Fe water 어디 H2O there are two jana hydrogen peroxide 어디 compound 심한 샤사 저 there 잡추고만 저서 water 랑자 샤오 근데 디 compound 디 다가 랑자 샤오 Fe3O4 라이드 랑자 샤오래 아니 hydrogen 라이디 랑자 샤오 ये रंजा शाह बोचे तोला ये घर जाई ना ब्रैकेट जाई ब्रैकेट सा बॉक्स ना दाई ती खाली से उसरे मंजू की कंपाउंड नहीं पता एलिमेंट नहीं पता हा कोच ये दूस जिदान की केमिकल इक्वेशन चिदुस ने दिके बॉक्स से क्या रिवर्स ना क्या मारे 타이네 안다 가서 전기 유자 한 बॉक्स के रिवर्स 다 बैलेंस है ना table dinangola 당고 dila 가리샤는 dinangola elements 가져요 뭐 디스디 elements 디네 만족이 되라 reactant 디네 product 다 elements 가리 두스라나 elements 를 얻으라 iron Fe element iron 다 iron 데라 가지고 두스 디 equation 디나노라 iron 직 두스 reactant 디나노라 iron 직 두스 다 데라 product 나노라 iron 가지고 product 나노라 iron 장가디 숨 Yeah, and iron balance reduce na balance marshas. Dine da hydrogen khazudus. Dela hydrogen khazudus. Reactant nanglola dine di brother reactant ba. Reactant nanglola hydrogen khazudula na hydrogen nidus. Dine matching product nanglola hydrogen khazudula na hydrogen nidus. Yeah, ta dine anjula dela khazudula na oxygen. Oxygen there oxygen 가지고 reactant nangola oxygen 찍두 다 product nangola oxygen 가지고는 시두 제가 다 equation the balance share this is skeletal equation where iron reacts with water to form iron oxide and hydrogen gas. Again, this condition is not a normal condition. The normal condition la iron cannot react with water. Right? Okay, Jeza. But here, in this condition, iron is reacting with water, and there is a formation of iron oxide, and then there is evolution of hydrogen gas. Now in our reactant, we have 1 iron, but in the product, we have 3 iron, which is not balanced. The balance of the okay, hydrogen, we have 2 hydrogen in the reactant and 2 hydrogen in the product. They are same. It is balanced. And then regarding oxygen, there is only 1 oxygen atom in reactant, and there are 4 oxygen atom in product. Now we have to balance this chemical equation. How we are going to balance this chemical equation is just a heat and trial method. This method is called as a heat and trial method. The particular number lu, digital number lu, the equation balance shidutane, just go to the product and select the largest number of largest number, in the sense the compound which has large number of atoms. We have to select that one. Compound chi imbala khonang atom thanga mangbu yode yodi thangshue dise. Di thangbu balance na any shabadi balance du gure. That the balance share thana anju gi dela iron sumdu oxygen sheet was. There are 3 iron and 4 oxygen. Therefore, now to balance this oxygen, you can put 4 here. There are sheet jab na kharela sheet jab so reactant na dichi gitsal na ye khar jab so na there are sheet jab so hala. Now number of oxygen over here and number of oxygen over here is balanced. The ramshi mewa balance shas. Jesa there yurotang thupse yurotang motum na yakshu che. Oh dukse na oxygen balance shalda. Now hydrogen ta hydrogen del gyochin ta taji hydrogen balance ba ta hydrogen gyochin bole 4 into 2, that is 8 hydrogen over here. We have 8 hydrogen. 2 into 4, that is equal to 8. We have 8 hydrogen here in the reactant, and we have to make that also. Dige so just place 4 here. Again it is into 4, that is equal to 8. Now we are balanced with hydrogen, we are balanced with oxygen. Oxygen anju balance chatsare and hydrogen balance chatsare. Then anju iron there are anju dusuna 3. 3 iron yesuna and there are anju 3 lusana iron diang and khachaslana balance chatsuna into 3, that is equal to 3. The iron sum 3 iron in the reactant, 3 iron in the product. 4 oxygen in the reactant, 4 oxygen in the product. Same. Okay, then 8 hydrogen in the reactant and 8 hydrogen in the product. Now equation is already balanced. Dukchen equation, with help of this table, you can balance this chemical equation. This is one example. Okay. Again, let me give you another example. Another example, say carbon monoxide. You are going to write down, represent carbon monoxide by CO, both are capital. If you write down carbon monoxide in form of this, then it is not a carbon monoxide but cobalt. It becomes an element called as a cobalt. Cobalt chapter. Says the Katuine Nanzuke chemical formula is G is a capital letter element is a capital letter which is never symbol. Okay. Now carbon monoxide, when it reacts with, when carbon monoxide reacts with hydrogen, when this is exposed to hydrogen, we are going to get methanol. It is called as a methanol. We are going to get methanol. And here atmospheric temperature is 340. That is the pressure here. Okay. Chesa, the equation chiba. The equation di nangola. Again, what we have to do is just place all those number of elements in the reactant and in the product. We have to change this. Here we have a carbon, and in the reactant there is only one carbon, and in the product there is only one carbon. Say, now in the reactant we have oxygen, one oxygen here. Okay, then in the product also we have one oxygen. Okay, now hydrogen. We have two hydrogen here in the reactant, and we have 3 plus 1, 4. 4 hydrogen over here in the product. You are not going to multiply this with this. Multiply chigmata. Oh, dine hydrogen sumgal, the hydrogen kyundum hydrogen kazu to sumgal jikena she is. Kyundum mantul kazu yorsina hydrogen she. Yes. All those. That also now equation is not balanced because of this hydrogen. Hydrogen yunzegi equation balance marshas. Hydrogen yunzegi equation balance marshas. That the equation balance condition. That equation balance shida ki method dila hit and trial method. Third number chiklu chu number chiklu nganzu tai. Right? The oxygen ni chikwa deshe sangma chikwa deshe gyuro khawa tanguru gyuro der tanguru ulaka. Der gyuro tangna carbon da oxygen niche gyuro dudu was. If I place number over here, then it will change the number of all these atoms. Therefore, now stick to this. We can make this, there are total of 4 hydrogen over here, and if we multiply this with 2, we are going to get 4 hydrogen here. There are 2 capsula hydrogen shichas. The equation is now balanced. Equation balance chasa. Reactant la carbon cheek, product la carbon cheek. Reactant la oxygen cheek, product la oxygen cheek. Reactant la hydrogen she, product la hydrogen she. Equation balance chasos. This is how we balance the equation. Balancing chemical equation ke example Subodhi. Okay, Subodhi ansama we all are very familiar with photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide reacts with water in the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll, and we are going to get glucose. And there is a evolution of oxygen and water. Okay, so this is the process of photosynthesis. Okay, now to balance this equation, here we have to place numbers over here as a coefficient. Coefficient is number type. Madanyala, make this table ready with yourself, and here write down the number of atoms over here in the reactant. Reactant atom khatu carbon. Carbon khatu tu chik. Product la carbon khatu tu carbon 2. Yeah, reactant la oxygen khatu tu ni gan chik sum. Reactant la oxygen khatu tu na sum. Product la oxygen 2 get good. Product la oxygen good. Okay, the hydrogen has. Hydrogen reactant la khajudu na ni tu product la hydrogen chungni ne choksum chipshi. There are chipshi tu. Is this equation balanced? No. This is a skeletal chemical equation. Now to balance this equation, again we are going to use heat and trial method. As I said, you first check to the largest compound, that is glucose, instant energy food. The glucose the compound tissue the thago delta. The number there carbon true to hydrogen chungni to oxygen true to. That the uses in a dela hazudu sina carbon hazudu sina true to. Dela carbon true yuna de. Any anzuki reactant number carbon true scab there. There are two steps now. This one is multiplied with 6, that is equal to 6. Now carbons are balanced. Carbon balance shasa. Then you know the sum this hydrogen and oxygen both are here together over here. Niche there yamdu. That Eurojic tansono ko Euro niche Euro to go that. That's just also you do the dela hydrogen chungni. Chungni ganga dela ni che joksum chipshi hydrogen chipshi do dela hydrogen ni no do do chipshi and the ganga oxygen samtang oxygen dela hajudu la chu ganga dige sama dom yundu chene oxygen gucha do asta oxygen gucha do chene dela gyuro tangani changma gyuro do was je dela gyuro tang go che andru gyuro tang gi das we are not going to make any changes over here on this largest compound. Now we are going to make changes on other, say, oxygen. Now we have 6 into 2, 12 oxygen over here. 6 into 2, 12 oxygen. 6 into 2, 12 oxygen plus we have 1 oxygen here. We have 1 oxygen over here. 12 plus 1. Okay, we have 6 oxygen here. And then we have 2 oxygen here and 1 oxygen. Now, to balance this, let me place 6 over here. Heat and trial method. You took there oxygen has 12 chaso. Oxygen 12 chasa. That 12 chajo there is 6 there. There is 6 dot. 12 chajo there oxygen 6 to. Dela yangyos this two. Right? Cheza nigi ya yangyo dela nigi 6 ki multiply tang. Ina ta oxygen kazu shasun de 6 plus 6 into 2 is equal to 12 plus 6 that is equal to 24. Oxygen kazu shasun na 24 shasun. Dela manzo oxygen kazu do 12. 12 gonna the oxygen the young 24 so la khachibudu dela 12 ki multiply ta do that 12 ki multiply ta the oxygen has 12 plus 12 na 24 chas jeza oxygen has dela has 12 plus 12 right and the also khachas na 24 chas oxygen balance chas oxygen has dela 12 che any जो कि प्रोडक्ट ला ऑक्सीजन खास शास ना मरा ऑक्सीजन 24 ला ऑक्सीजन 24 देले 24 ऑक्सीजन बैलेंस शास now we don't have to balance hydrogen because it is already balanced as we don't have place to change this there are to change some da there are hydrogen खास do 24 dos in our reactant we have 24 hydrogen. Now see in the product, check in the product. That is 12 plus 6 into 2 is equal to 12. 12 plus here 6 into 2. That is equal to 12 plus 6 into 2 is equal to 12. That is equal to 24. Cheza, we have 24 hydrogen over here in the product. This is how we balance a chemical equation. Chemical equation is the balance sheet. Jeza heat and trial method run get on the Pogigi balance sheet and want to talk about this. And the balancing chemical equation and it's all the super